Okay, now we're going to try and run the circuit simulator. We'll start off the circuit first. I've saved under the terminal 1, so here you can see terminal 1. And now I scroll up a bit so that the size of it becomes smaller. Then we want to run the circuit. Now we get to go to the simulate, click on simulate, edit simulation CMD. You can actually use the DC op point or the transient, but it's better to use the transient, I think, because it's more clear. You can see things more clearly. So you go to the stop time and you put in a value 1. Then you see here there's a dot tran 1, and you click on OK, and you put this rectangle here, so you run under the dot trans 1. So now you can click on the simulate again, and then you go click on 1, and you'll see what's happening here. Right? So the circuit has become smaller, and then just click on where the points where you want to see the voltages. There's a node here, right? You want to see the voltage here, so you click on here. You see the voltmeter is red in color, and you'll see the voltage at this point is actually around 13.333, right? Volts. Okay. So now you want to see the current through the resistor R2. You just click here on the component R2 and you'll see it. Right? Okay. Okay. The green one is the voltage actually, and the blue one is actually the current. Right? But we can actually see the blue one here is from here is about 333.3 milliamps, right? Or you can actually click X and then you can try again and see what happens. Okay, simulate, run again, and you see it more clearly, right? Okay, so now you can see it's 333.3 milliamps, right? So this is how you can see your current. So you click and you can run it again, and you'll be able to see what is it that you want to see. So here is the voltage. You want to see the voltage here, you just click on it and you'll see the voltage here. Click on X and then run. And you want to see the current through R2, just click on R2 or R1. You want to see current through R1 and click on R1. And you'll see it's the same as the current through R2 actually. Okay, so that's how you'll be able to see the current and voltages through each of the components or nodes. Okay, thank you.